Summer is here with all its hot and humid glory, and I really need something bright and sunshiny to help me greet this time of year with a happy and positive attitude. This is She's Making Something, and today I'm making a summery sunflower wreath. For this wreath, I decided to use a foam ring that I grabbed from Michael's, and I'm going to cover it up with this really pretty 1.5-inch bright blue ribbon. I love this color blue. It reminds me of the Caribbean and brings me happy thoughts, which is exactly what I want from this wreath. I just wrapped it around and around and around, using just 2 or 3 small dots of hot glue to help hold it in place. But I used a lot of hot glue on the end to stop it from unraveling. I also got these 2 bundles of sunflowers from Michael's during their half-off sale, and I was really happy I found one with some white sunflowers in it too, so it wasn't all yellow. I cut off all the flowers and the leaves, grabbing as much greenery as I can from the stems to help fill it all in. Then I sorted all my different flower pieces by type and counted them all so that I knew I had 1 extra yellow sunflower to act as my center, and then I made an equal number of each type of flower on either side so my wreath would be balanced. Then I just hot glued what I wanted onto the blue ring. Once all the flowers were on and I kind of liked how they looked, I took a small strip of ribbon and glued it in half before adding it to the back of the wreath to use as a hanger. I also grabbed this small pink welcome sign from the craft store, and I probably should have just left it alone, but I was fully immersed in my fit of creativity and couldn't leave it at just pink, so I painted some blue, white, and gold accents before attaching it to the top of my wreath. Down comes the Easter wreath, which I made in a previous video. And up goes my new sunflower wreath. Maybe it's just me, but this combination of yellow, white, and blue just reeks optimism, like a don't worry, be happy kind of vibe, and that's just what I need. If I stare at it for long enough, I feel a need to add some small pink flowers in there to tie in that Technicolor welcome sign, so maybe I'll do that later. Let me know what you think. This is She's Making Something. Thanks for watching.